Hello everyone, thank you very much for watching and subscribing. I am Anna Vanila on the channel Anna Vanila Arts, where I am showing everything that I do about knitting and crafting and all sorts of things that I create. I make a video for you to be updated, for you to know what I do and how it looks like. And this is exactly that. This is a Baktus for today. Baktus, for those that don't know what it is, Baktus means something in between the shawl and a scarf, or you can use it as a bolero. When you go to the beach, you can use it as a bolero or pareo, however you call it, and it's very good stretch to it. I've made from this color, which is sort of like a turquoise green, I would say, and I've knitted in acrylic with acrylic yarn, as always I do, and sometimes I use cotton yarn for a lighter, less warming projects that I do. For example, summer items I do in cotton yarn, and anything for colder season I use acrylic yarn. So this is a Baktus, which you wrap around your neck. It covers your neckline, your chest, and it keeps you warm. And as you can see, it has a string, a cord knitted beautifully cord with a very simple system, which is this one. This is a dolly, which as you can see, goes through the center here, comes out from the bottom, and as you knit it around, it creates around it like this cord, and the cord looks very professionally done. As you can see, it looks perfect. And usually doll like this one children are using even at the kindergarten or at school for doing cords for fun. But you can use the doll like so even for when you need a string for something. In this case, I needed a string for my Baktus, and this is what I've used, and this is how it looks like. This is what I've done. It doesn't have any plait through the center like I usually do. This particular Baktus is absolutely fresh. It's newly made. I finished it the other day, and it hasn't been washed either. And this is my first Baktus in this color. I was so in love with this color to the point that I was saying to myself that it will be perfect for a Baktus like so. And as you can see, you can do even makeup in this color if you are lucky to have color like so, and it will be harmonious when you wear it, and it will look just fantastic, especially if you have a hat in this color. And as you can see, the edge here, I've done the perfect edging here, so it doesn't unravel, it doesn't look like unfinished product, but now it looks professional. I use a special technique to do the edge, and this is where I've attached the cord. I've used a needle, and this is the needle that I use with my knitting. So I have tried to do my best so it's not as visible how it's stitched together, and the cord is fantastically done. It's made with a doll and dolly doll, and I'm really pleased with this cord. There is another technique where you can do a cord, but I have never tried that method, but I will try it in my near future just for variation, to do something similar to this, and I'll show you for sure. And the edging here, this is where I add my loops. I add my loops on the left side and then on the right side, and that's how it grows. The scarf goes up like so from this edging. So this is where I started. I started from 7 loops, and then on the right side and on the left side I would add each time on the front row, in the front row, a new loop, a new stitch, and that's how it builds up to a point where it becomes large, like so. And in my opinion, I think does look nice. I love the color, I love the structure of this Baktus. I hope you like it too. Please leave a comments below and the likes, and please subscribe and keep watching my new amazing things that I'm trying to do every single day, and I'll do next videos. So please subscribe, and love you all, and see you soon in the next video. Bye.